Welcome back to Dream Cars USA, where luxury meets innovation and the road becomes your home. Today, we're diving into one of the most extravagant motorhomes ever built, the 2026 Volkner Mobil Performance S. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling mansion designed for those who expect perfection, power, and prestige wherever they go. Imagine a vehicle that combines the comfort of a five-star hotel, the elegance of a luxury yacht, and the engineering precision of a German supercar. That's exactly what the Volkner Mobil Performance S represents. This masterpiece is crafted in Germany, and it's the ultimate example of how far luxury travel on wheels can go. Every detail, every inch screams sophistication. From the outside, the 2026 Volkner Mobil Performance S commands attention. Its sleek aerodynamic body, futuristic lighting, and clean white exterior design make it stand out like a spaceship on the highway. But the real magic begins the moment you step inside. As you enter, you're greeted by a stunning interior finished with white leather, fine wood, and brushed aluminum accents. The atmosphere feels open, calm, and elegant, a true sanctuary on wheels. The lighting is customizable, allowing you to set the perfect mood whether you're relaxing after a long day of travel or entertaining guests. One of the most impressive features of the Volkner Mobil Performance S is its famous garage. Yes, you heard that right, this motorhome has a built-in car garage underneath the living area. You can park your Ferrari, Lamborghini, or Porsche inside the motorhome and take it out whenever you want. The car slides out smoothly from the side of the vehicle with a push of a button. It's not just luxury, it's lifestyle perfection. The living space is equipped with a large, adjustable sofa that transforms into a comfortable bed. The kitchen rivals what you'd find in modern apartments, complete with an induction cooktop, a large refrigerator, a built-in coffee maker, and high-end appliances. Everything is carefully integrated to maximize space and functionality. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom is pure elegance. The king-size bed features memory foam technology and is surrounded by ambient LED lighting. The walls are soundproof, ensuring a quiet, peaceful rest no matter where you park. Above the bed, there's a skylight that lets in natural light during the day and provides a stunning view of the stars at night. The bathroom continues the luxury theme with marble-style finishes, a rainfall shower, and top-quality fittings. The attention to detail is remarkable. Even the temperature and water pressure are electronically controlled for the perfect experience. In terms of technology, the 2026 Volkner Mobil Performance S is as advanced as it gets. The entire motorhome can be controlled via touchscreen or smartphone app. You can adjust the lighting, temperature, blinds, and even security systems remotely. It features satellite internet, a top-end sound system, and multiple smart TVs integrated seamlessly into the design. Under the hood, the Volkner Mobil Performance S is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine that delivers both strength and smoothness. The air suspension provides a ride so comfortable that you'll barely feel the road beneath you. Even with its massive size, this motorhome handles beautifully, offering both stability and control at all speeds. Fuel efficiency is optimized thanks to its intelligent hybrid system, which helps reduce emissions and fuel consumption, making it surprisingly eco-friendly for its class. Now let's talk about the part that truly separates the Volkner Mobil Performance S from everything else: its price. The 2026 model starts at around $2.5 million and can easily exceed $3 million depending on customizations. That includes options for interior materials, entertainment upgrades, and personalized garage configurations. Yes, it's incredibly expensive, but for those who demand the very best in comfort, technology, and mobility, it's worth every penny. Owning the Volkner Mobil Performance S isn't just about having a motorhome, it's about making a statement. It represents freedom, independence, and success. It's built for people who don't just want to travel but want to do it in style without compromise. Every journey in this vehicle feels like a luxury retreat. Whether you're driving along the Pacific Coast Highway, parked by the Grand Canyon, or exploring Europe's countryside, the Volkner Mobil Performance S turns every destination into an unforgettable experience. This isn't just transportation, it's transformation. It's redefining what it means to live on the road. For those who dream of blending adventure with opulence, the 2026 Volkner Mobil Performance S is the ultimate dream come true. It's not about getting from point A to point B, it's about loving every moment in between. If you're passionate about luxury cars, motorhomes, and dream rides from around the world, make sure to subscribe to Dream Cars USA for more exclusive reviews and automotive journeys that push the limits of imagination. Thanks for watching, and remember, on the open road of life, only a few dare to travel in true style. The 2026 Volkner Mobil Performance S isn't just the best motorhome ever made, it's a symbol of freedom on four wheels. See you in the next video, only on Dream Cars USA, where your dream ride awaits right here in the United States.